making on the stage, nothing. That is the level of obedience we would want the dog to have when there's a kid or the handler around the dog. See how the dog is looking at the trainer, not distracted by anything, no pick up, he will not be bothered. He's only focused on nothing will happen, nothing will happen. He will look at you, he might think you're very pretty also, but well, that's his choice. But the thing is that he will not be distracted, so he will not come and bite you. See, we will do a demo of how the bite work will happen and then you'll see what I'm talking about. The jaws have power. These dogs, this is Dutch Shepherd, these dogs are called the sharks on land. Alright, so we'll give you a scenario, right? This is how the demo work works, so that it's interesting. Guys, you have to listen up because this is going to be the last demo of the day. And if you miss it, you will actually miss some really, really awesome training in the dog world. This is what's going to happen. And his friend, Raven, are just chilling. They just, Vaibhav and his friend, I'm sorry, guys in the front, can you just like move a little side because I think people at the back cannot see the training. Just give them a little view, I guess. Okay, so these guys are friends, chilling. They know each other very well. Now Panther is looking at Raven, they're good friends, but Panther is not going to say anything. But see what happens. Now they have an argument. There's an argument between both the friends. But yeah, now Raven is not doing anything. So the dog is barking noises. Basically he's warning, right? He's warning, hey, don't touch my handler, don't do anything to my father, don't do anything. But it's not going to be safe for you. So now Raven backs up, right? Raven backs out. He's alright. So the dog now will calm down. The dog will calm down. But here you go. This is what it is. On the command of his owner, the dog has latched onto Raven. He's not feeling. I'm on the stage. The dog is not looking at me. The dog is not focused on me. He's only focused on the attacker. The person who wanted to harm his handler. That is what training is all about. And see how smoothly, how easily the trainer is going to take away the dog from the person. We are going to give the sleeve to the dog because he's done something. This is now going to be a sleeve he'll get so that he can play. But this is actual training. This is where your dog should be. This is obedience, guys. This is what K9 School is all about. This is the kind of work we do. I don't think you guys have seen this anywhere except movies maybe. This, I don't know if you guys can actually see anything, but it is fantastic training. Now the dog is cool, he's going to heal, not even looking at me. I think we all know that Raven, Vaibhav, our guy Panther here, and even K9 School. Guys, we deserve a big, big applause, right? We show you something which is out of this world. Yeah, come to us. We have a stall here. Come to us, meet us, talk about your dog training. We will start with the basic, but this is a stage the dog can reach. I see a lot of mouths open, guys. It's alright, we do this every day. Don't worry, the guys. He's a decoy, so he does this as part of his work. So he gets bitten. Thank you so much.
Very playful and he's like super energetic.
From Petgilly Services. I'm co-founder of Petgilly Services. We started Petgilly Services in the year of 2017. It started with one mobile grooming van. Actually, basically that mobile grooming van is basically provides a doorstep services. So the van, the customer books the appointment and the van goes to their doorstep and gives the services there. So we have all the services right from bathing, trimming, complete packages. We also provide ear cleaning, nail clipping, and medicated bath, and we also provide de-shedding services and all. Yeah. So the point is, we have been in this industry for past 8 years actually, and last year we have launched a smart pet wash station. We have come up with two products, that is smart pet wash station, and other one is a perfect mix. To start with, smart pet wash station, it's an IoT driven machine actually. It starts with a simple scan. The moment you scan the machine, automatically the entire grooming step starts, where pre-mixing of shampoo and water happens, and automatically that comes out of the faucet, and the entire bathing can be finished within 15 to 20 minutes. And we have been recognized by Panasonic for this innovation actually. Yeah, and then it has a feature of disinfection. It can be disinfected, and it also has auto flush system, so it can clean by itself. And we are planning to place these machines in gated communities as a amenity. We are positioning this product. Yeah, and also clinics also can have this. Pet kennels can also have this because it's very consistent, convenient, it's affordable, and best part is it gives a very consistent service. Actually, you will have the similar experience for the first time you have taken. When you take again, you will have the similar experience because of the pre-mixing of the shampoo and water. So we have a smaller version, that is a portable one. It's a perfect mix. This is basically, you can put your choice of shampoo and you have to click on the button, and pre-mixing happens inside, and the foam output comes from the faucet. So we have two products in line. So they can we are both in the selling, as well as we can sell the products also. We can also rent the product as well.
Okay, so hi everyone. We are from Furball Story. It's an Ayurvedic company. 100% natural Ayurvedic herbs are used to make our ingredients. And we started back in 2016. The owners of this company are themselves pet parents. They started this company because they lost their pet due to faulty medicines, and that's when they decided to start this company with the whole motive of having Ayurvedic products so that they can provide the gentleness to the animals. And we have products for both cats as well as dogs, and the products range from the supplements, like if your dog or cat is having fever or is having indigestion or due to any other reason like tick fever, the platelet levels are going low, so we have supplements for that. And along with that, we have a grooming range also, in which we have gentle shampoos and oral hygiene packages, the one which can clean their ears also. We have wound healing products also if they're having some kind of skin infections. I'm Dr. Manveen. I'm associated with them from past 6 months, and since then it's a really great experience. Their products are actually very nice. They're 100% herbal, and they do not have any side effects until or unless any dog is having any specific allergies. Otherwise, they are completely free from side effects.
Whiskey ready.
Reach boundary.
Alexa,